Here we are, Lily. Ready for your very first flight?
Whoa, Aunt Emma, it looks like a giant glass castle. Look at all the people. Where are they going?
Everywhere in the whole wide world.
Are those the magic words to make the planes fly?
Those are destinations. Let's see, Flight 402. Flight 402 to Sunshine City. We need counter number 5.
Yeah! Do planes have steering wheels?
They do, but the pilot has a lot of extra buttons too. Good morning! Flying somewhere fun today?
I'm going in the sky!
Just this one checked bag, please. We have our carry-ons.
Was! Does Mr. Bear need to be weighed too?
Mr. Bear can stay right on your back, little explorer.
Bye-bye, suitcase! See you in the sky!
You are all set for Gate 12. Have a wonderful flight.
Thank you so much. Okay, next stop is the security line. They have to make sure we're safe to fly.
What are the boxes for?
For our bags to take a little ride through a special camera. We have to put our jackets and bags in here. Your turn, Lily.
Be brave, Mr. Bear. It's like a roller coaster for bags.
All right, young lady, walk right through this archway.
Libby.
Now we just wait for our things to come out the other side.
Mr. Bear made it! He didn't even cry.
All done. Now the fun part begins. To the gates.
Whoa, it looks like but with airplanes.
Yes, it does, sweetie.
Is that a magic carpet?
It's a moving walkway. Step on carefully.
Look, Aunt Emma, I'm a superhero. I'm flying.
I'm flying.
Can we get airplane snacks?
I packed some fruit, but maybe a little chocolate wouldn't hurt. Hop off. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Aunt Emma, look! The planes are so close.
Wow, they are huge. We will fly on one soon.
Look at that tiny car pulling our luggage.
That's the baggage tractor. Are you ready for our trip?
Yes, I am. Zoom! That's gonna be us soon.
Gate 12 is right here. Perfect timing. We have 20 minutes before we board.
I'm so excited my tummy is doing flip-flops.
That's normal. It's called butterflies. Here, this will help with the butterflies. Now boarding flight 402.
They said our magic number.
Enjoy your flight to the clouds, little miss.
Thank you. Thank you. It's like a secret tunnel. Where does it go?
It leads to our airplane. It goes straight into the metal bird. Welcome aboard. We are so glad you're here.
Wow, it's so big inside.
We are looking for row 14. Seat A and B. The window seat is the best spot for a first-timer. Please like and subscribe for more stories. Goodbye! See you next time!